second floor, or third floor.
Coaster.
We're doing that next. I'm excited for it. Is it pretty long?
Actually, it's about a 5-minute ride.
Really? Nice.
Over 5, 2.5 up, maybe 2.5 down if you don't use your brakes.
Awesome. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, on the way down, do not let go of the grips.
Okay.
As long as you want to go up here, but
okay.
No. Okay, lay back, relax, cross those ankles. Keep your knees and ankles in this position.
Okay.
It's going to take some of the swing out. You're still going to get jerked around.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Oh, here we go. So this has only been open for around 7 weeks. Oh, whoa. This is weird. You're harnessed in like on a rock climbing wall. We got Mike coming up behind me with the 360 on him. So check that out. Oh, this is a lot longer than I thought it was. And I'm hanging on up top. You can't see the handlebars. Oh, that is a little freaky. All right, we're off. Oh. A little bit terrifying. Whoa, we're swinging. Whoa! This is crazy. That was insane. Wow. Unlike anything.
Right up.
That was crazy. A little scary. Those corners. They're wild. It's like wild. It's like bucking you around.
All right, come on, I'll take you on this one.
Awesome.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.